my beautiful positive vibers, welcome to the channel. If you're like me that loves a clean kitchen, but let's be honest, keeping a spotless kitchen can feel like a never-ending battle. Well, today I've got you covered with some game-changing kitchen cleaning hacks that will save you time, effort, and maybe even a little frustration. Let's look at oven cleaning. The oven is one of the hardest places to clean, but there's a trick that makes it effortless. Instead of scrubbing for hours, mix a half cup of baking soda with a few tablespoons of water to make a paste. Spread it all over the inside of the oven, avoiding the heating element. Let it sit overnight and spray vinegar on it in the morning. The reaction lifts the grime, and you can just wipe it off. No harsh chemicals needed. Hack number 2, the magic of baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar, oh yes, is a classic duo for a reason. Got a greasy stovetop, sprinkle baking soda all over, spray some vinegar and let it sit for 10 minutes. Watch as the grime lifts effortlessly when you wipe it down. No harsh chemicals, just simple, powerful cleaning. Hack number 3, no more smelly sink drains. Ever notice the weird smell coming from your skin drain? Try this. Drop some ice cubes, rock salt, and lemon peels into the drain. Then run the disposal. The ice sharpens the blades, the salt scrubs, and the lemon peels make it smell amazing. It's like a mini spa treatment for your sink. Hack number 4, stainless steel shine trick. Want a streak-free shine on your stainless steel appliances? Instead of expensive cleaners, just use a few drops of olive oil on a microfiber cloth and wipe in a circular motion. It removes fingerprints and leaves everything looking polished and brand new. Do you dislike scrubbing your blender? Try this. Fill it halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap, then blend for 30 seconds, rinse it out, and you're done. As simple as that. No more struggling with sharp blades. Hack number 7, grease-free cabinet. Kitchen cabinet gets greasy fast, especially near the stove. The simple thing you are going to do is just to mix baking soda with coconut oil to make a paste, apply it to your cabinet and wipe with a cloth. It breaks down the grease and conditions the wood at the same time. And there you have it. I hope these tips make your life easier and your kitchen sparkle. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comment section, what is your go-to kitchen cleaning trick? I am going to see you in my next video. Have a blessed and a beautiful day, guys. I love you and God bless you. Bye, guys.